Let's include it, but you're not allowed to make bread out of it. You can make mochi, but no bread. I was like, what the heck is a rice flour? But it's rice flour. I get it. I get it. I get it. Oh, no worries, Reno. No worries. Bread. Yeah, Blady. I mean, I see the appeal. This is a very hard question. Ghoul starve then Golganek. No. You're very much a fan of long grain and wild all the time. I like long grain and wild rices, Jody, pretty well. I would say, Reno, I know we're going down this road now, but I'm going to say mochi is not a bread because it's not baked. And I know we're getting into the like, okay, well then is naan a bread because naan's not baked. Naan is baked on a stone. Okay, Vito, good. Good. I'm glad we've decided. I think you've only ever eaten variations of white rice. Lady, you gotta get yourself some wild rice, bro. Gotta get yourself some wild rice, bro. Oh my god, this goulash looks so freaking delicious. Do you guys want to see it? Do you guys want to see it? Look at this. Look at this. There we go. Look at that, you guys. Let's get up close and personal. Oh yeah, can you smell it? It smells so good. It smells like paprika and carrots and beef and all sorts of delicious stuff. So good. All right, that's enough. Yeah, I mean now naan is made on a like a big flat. I mean, if you're making it in a restaurant, I believe that it's made on like a flat griddle. And that's what I meant by stone, which is not super accurate, but anyways, yes, it does smell amazing, you know. Dak. How you doing, Dak? Welcome. Dak, it's gonna be so good. It smells freaking awesome. Pancakes. But Ali, are you asking if that's a bread or not?